sunset view. We'll go to my house.
Now we go inside.
And this is
Ay, outside.
our outside house. And this is harap mo ligo ba?
Diri mo magtika diri kanang this
Ay,
area we're
This
taking
is
taking
area
bath
or taking a bath or washing
dishes. Washing dishes.
washing dishes and not sure where we will go to CR because we don't have CR. Then this is
Muna
my
outside.
outside. And this is our kitchen.
Kitchen.
Our kitchen.
This
This
is
is my place.
you didn't go inside.
This is our inside of house. This is our room. We are go to sleeping with my family. Sorry. My mom sleeping. And also this is my father sleeping. And this is area where we're eating with my
This is a
family.
dining area.
And this is house of Baboy Girl. This is room of Baboy Girl. This is our Bluetooth.
Give details there explain an hour.
Today is raining. 안녕하세요. Today is raining. My father and mother. What's the work of you?
I am a
Helper worker. Then father's work.
Scavenger.
Ano ba yung? Scavenger.
Collect the road.
Gusto ka?
Disposal.
Pila ka buok siblings, yung mga anak.
7 siblings.
Pila mo tanan sa balay.
11.
How old are you?
48 years old.
My father old. How?
Father is died.
Papa, patay?
Okay. My father is 53 years old.
My father is 53 years old and my mom is 48
48.
years old. So, paano naman sa mong kalimutan?
Akong plano sa akong life kay kuan. Need ko og additional income for my husband kanang sari store.
This is my room. Here together with my family sleeping. Here is the fan. Marcel and Jerome, my mother and my father sleeping. The Lord. Nothing.
House made of wooden wall. This is the this is the this house made of cement but not enough material, so kanang wala na tiwas ba. So mao tuwa na tiwas. Udyo na din siya mo. Wall. Not enough materials, not enough cement. So this is the result. And They have 2 rooms. Here rooms and
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. There is our outside. And this is the place we are going to bathroom. My father. This is our wool. This is a wool. This is our wool. And this is Baboy girl's room. Baboy girl's room. Katabi. Wooden wool. Made of wooden wool. And this is our dining area. This is my room. We don't have a bed, only this. We go to sleep. This is our window. The place we are going to restroom. That place. Place to go restroom. That place. Just a tree. This is the river. I'm going to home now.
Ganyan to. Katanaw, may pa. Nano, wa tayo siya kasi natubig na. Kawas tayo siya.